5 methods to shut down computer. First method. Press Alt plus F4 key. Then choose Shutdown. Then press Enter. Second method. Click on Start button. Then click on Power button. Then click on Shutdown. Third method. Press Windows key plus R. Then type Shutdown -S. Then press Enter. Fourth method. Right-click on blank area of desktop. Then click on New. Then click on Shortcut. Then type Slide to Shutdown. Then click on Next and Finish. Then double-click on icon. Now slide down to shut down the computer. Fifth method. Press once power button of CPU.